Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you're wondering if what you're seeing back there is what you think you're seeing, it is. It is a wonderful glass of Belle Glace Rosé and it is very, very good. Cheers. Grab your water, your tea, your wine, and let's go ahead and share with today's unboxing. Today's unboxing is something that I received 2 or 3 weeks ago and I have not even opened it. Well, let's just say this. I opened the box to make sure that I had received the correct item, but I haven't unwrapped it, I haven't worn it, I haven't as much as tried it on. So today we're gonna go ahead and unbox it together. I will go through it with you, tell you why I purchased it, and I'll also give you some mod shots. So if you're interested in checking out what I bought from Chanel, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, I hope that you will go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below, hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm excited to see you. As you can see, today we have a Chanel unboxing. The wrapping is falling off a little bit and the box is not quite what we usually expect, but let's just go ahead and get right into this. It did bring a camellia and it did have the ribbon, so I can't say it was totally different from the usual, but it did come in a plain white box. When I texted my SA, she said, "Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to tell you, we're out of boxes, but I'll send you one as soon as we receive one." So, oops. I just moved the lighting, so I hope it's a little better because I'm filming in the evening after work. Inside, we have the pretty little envelope with the receipt, and it has some Chanel tissue paper, and inside is this right here. Any guesses? Go ahead and stop the video and leave your comments down below. What do you think I got? Here is the dust bag and more tissue paper to reveal. The Chanel 19 in the black goatskin leather in the size, I think this is the large. So this is it's not the small medium, which I have, and it's not the maxi. I think this is the large. I'm not sure what it's called. I'll insert something on the screen for you, but here she is. And here is her information. And of course, this is after the price increase. I'll leave all the information below. And here she is. She is very, very beautiful. If you've been following me, you know that I have a Chanel 19 in the light beige color in the smaller size, and I'll go ahead and link the unboxing of that video up in case you missed it and you want to watch it. And I absolutely love it, but I really wanted a black one. And I thought, I really think I want it in the larger size because I am one of those people that loves to take everything, including the kitchen sink, in my bag. And so I really want to wear this to work, and I don't want to have to think about, I can't take this and I can't take that. So let's not talk anymore and let's check her out. Here she is, of course, the beautiful puffy large quilting, the CC turn lock in the front with the gold and black. And of course, the pocket in the back. And let's open her up. And let me get rid of the felt. It's very difficult because I don't have like a table in front of me right now. And here she is. She is all stuffed. Okay. Let me get everything out of here. And she's got the really, really pretty reddish, pinkish interior with a zippered compartment in the back, and then the rest is just one large open compartment. And of course, here is the strap, which comes in the beautiful gold and black and the ruthenium on the other side. And then on here at the top, let me open this up. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like on the top, and it's, of course, it's got the leather strap for your comfort on your shoulder, and then the very chunky chain down here. Let me just get all of this off. There we go. And here she is. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll take all this off in a minute so that I don't keep you just watching me take off paper. But I am so excited. And let me grab my beige one to just do a little side-by-side comparison. Alrighty, here is the side-by-side comparison. As you can see, there is a definite size difference between one and the other. Just see right here and right here and right here. I do love this one, and the color is magnificent, and you can fit a lot into her, but this mama right here is great for everyday work. So this is what I picked up. I am kicking myself because I had told my SA I wanted this size. She called me in December, late November, early December, and she said, I have one. And I said, you know what? I really need to wait. I know that black is gonna continue coming out. I gotta put a little, I gotta put a little stop to this. I said, I wanna wait until the beginning of 2021. And of course I waited, and of course there was a price increase. Therefore, I paid more for her than what I would have had I just purchased her late November, beginning of December. But that's how it goes. Anyhow, my friends, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you own this one in this size, let me know how you like it. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some mod shots, and I will see you soon. Bye. This is how she looks on the crook of your arm. The shoulder. If you needed to be crossbody, you could certainly do it. It's not the prettiest look, but if you need to be hands-free, you certainly can. I think it looks really, really cute, and the mixing of the metals, for example, right with the Chanel brooch I have, and the matching earrings, and then the bag with the gold and the silver and the platinum Just looks really, really amazing, coupled with the Veronica Beard jacket. I absolutely love it.